There's a lot there.
Hi.
Would you like one?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Of course. Have fun tonight.
Thank you.
What is going on, everyone? Tonight, Taylor and I are here at Busch Gardens to ride the new Tigris ride that just opened up. And it's an annual pass holder night. They're doing something special for us, and we get like some free drinks. It's good. But yeah, it's actually the food festival is still going on here as well. I wish this was a weekend so we could go, but it's a Thursday night, and it should not be too bad just because the park is actually officially closed, and we have this whole place basically to ourselves, which is awesome. But Taylor should be here any moment. Supposed to be getting some selfies out front with the tiger people, and then we're gonna ride Tigris, which is gonna be amazing.
I made it! You knew I would. So obviously I was a little bit late. I came straight from work. Hence my crazy hair and like no makeup. However, we got these nice little cocktails when we walked in. It's whipped cream flavored vodka and orange juice, and it sure was tasty. I'm super excited to try this roller coaster though. It looks a little scary. This VIP event is legit. This is not what we were expecting at all. So when we came in, they have drawstring bags out there. They have all kinds of goodies inside of them. And then we came in and we saw people with food and drinks, and we were like, whoa, what is going on? We thought we were just here to ride the ride. No, this is a legit party. Food, alcoholic drinks of like all kinds of wine. Yeah, and it's all you can drink. They have full cans of beer, like what Josh got. And then I got the little cocktail again because it's really good. They have like beef, they have pitas and hummus, they have mahi-mahi fish tacos, they have all kinds of desserts, they have a build your own sundae bar, and then you can ride the Flume Ride, Shikra, and Tigris as many times as you want, till 10 p.m. And I'm really sad that we couldn't be here at 7 when it first started because this is really awesome. We're going to ride Tigris for our first time ever.
Oh man, she's already coming down. Oh, no hands! No hands!
No way! No way! Oh, the back is way worse.
That was awesome.
Oh my gosh!
It is so awesome for you guys.
Don't ride it back. Okay, so it's like a little loud up here because we're about to get on again, but Tigris was awesome. I was really nervous before it went off. I was like shaking because we rode in the front row to get like, you know, POV video. I was a little scared, especially the backwards part, because I don't think I've actually been on a roller coaster that goes backwards other than Everest, which is not that big of a deal, but the backwards part was probably my favorite part. And actually, you go up, and when you get to the top, it like slams on the brakes. Not slams, but it slows you down. And you go upside down like slow. And it's almost like you're hanging upside down. It was a little scary. Josh is yelling, "This is awesome!" And I'm like, let's get right side up. though. It's super fast, super fun.
Wow, the back is far more intense than the front. If you're looking for a tamer experience, ride the front. If you're looking for a mind-blowing, crazy, adrenaline-pumping ride, sit in the back, because that's what you get. You get that in the front too. Everywhere. Amazing. All right, well that is going to do it for us here tonight at this awesome VIP event that Busch Gardens put on for us, which was super fun and very cool.
The food was really good. I was not expecting that at all. I was thinking maybe they were gonna have some like, you know, bottles of water or soda or something for us, or,
yeah,
you know, not alcohol, not actual food, like nothing of what we got tonight. And that was awesome and really nice surprise, especially because I didn't eat dinner tonight, so I basically ate my dinner here in between riding roller coasters, which you would think alcohol, food, and roller coasters don't really go together so much, but that doesn't bother me. I don't get sick, so it worked for me.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Like I said earlier, this new ride, this like double launch coaster, Tigris, is just, it's awesome. It is, I've never done anything like it before.
I haven't either. I was a little nervous.
My dad and some of my other family are coming in next month.
There goes Shikra.
And I actually texted him even before we got on the ride, and I said, you should just buy a one-day ticket just to come over and ride it, because it's definitely worth it. And if you come during the week, I always say this about Busch Gardens, but if you come during the week, especially during the school season, it's the best time to come, because usually there's nobody here. You can ride whatever you want, as many times as you want normally, and it's a lot of fun. This is the park to come to if you are looking to ride coasters.
Oh yeah, if you're in Central Florida or Florida anywhere, and you want to ride roller coasters, just come to Busch Gardens, because this is the place to do it. Tigris was awesome tonight.
I think by far, I'm gonna have to say this might be my new favorite roller coaster here in Florida. Yeah.
Shikra is still my favorite, but Tigris is a very close second.
Thank you, Busch Gardens, for inviting us here tonight. It was awesome, especially since we missed the media event.
Yes.
So thank you guys, it was awesome.
It was awesome. So let us know, are you gonna take on Tigris?